welcome back to my channel. A bit different setup, and that is because we are on vacation right now. We are actually at the beach. We wanted a little bit of a vacation away from the city, and so we're actually in Ocean City, Maryland. And this is one of the beaches that my family came to every year as long as I can remember. It's always one of our favorites, and I love coming back here. Just wanted to bring you guys along on this little vacation that we're on, show you where we are, show you what we're doing, show you all the fun eats that we do, and all the fun adventures we take. So without further ado, let's get started on our beach vacation. What you doing?
Unpacking. What are you doing? Oh, hey.
What do you think so far, this place?
I think it's really nice. I like our setup.
Yeah.
We got this nice room. We got our own bathroom, a little bit of a balcony here.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Hello. As soon as we arrived, we were surprised to see some dolphins just taking a little swim right by our hotel. How cool is that? It is about, 11:30 in the morning here on the boardwalk in Ocean City, Maryland. I am having a fantastic morning, just strolling around, looking at all the shops and enjoying the summer air here. And it is truly a beautiful day. Today is actually the air show here in Ocean City, Maryland, and usually it is a pretty busy day on the boardwalk, but today is especially busy. Everyone's out and about. It is a great atmosphere here. Everyone's walking around, having a good time. So I wanted to bring you guys along, show you all the fun sights you can see here on the boardwalk, give you a feel of what it's going to be like here when you come to visit, and hopefully show you some of the highlights. So let's go ahead and get started. And so I am just chilling here on the boardwalk beach area, just kind of sitting on the stoop. And I wanted to give a try to these Thrasher's French fries. Now, these are probably the most popular French fries anywhere on the boardwalk. They have multiple stops, they have multiple locations, and there is always an insanely long line of people that are wanting to get their fries, wanting to get their fix, and hopefully with good reason. Now, I'm sure that I've tried them at some point in my life, but I can't remember. I've been coming here since I was a kid, so I'm sure I have. But I wanted to give them a try today for you guys and share my thoughts, because I always hear great things. Everyone talks about it, and there's always that line. So there has to be a reason, right? So without further ado, let's give it a try. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I know. These are delicious. These are like the perfect football game food, football game fry food. You know what I mean? Like those crispy, greasy, almost slightly overcooked fries that are just so delicious. Super salty. A lot of people put actually malt vinegar on it, on these fries. I don't do that. I'm a big baby. But I just put like, you know, the salt or whatever. And it is absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness. So this is a small, this was like $7 on the boardwalk. Like I said, there are multiple locations, so you can go to multiple places to get them. But keep an eye out for the line. Go on off hours. But these are amazing. Holy moly. Wow. Go Thrashers. So, slightly sad update. I dropped my French fries all over the boardwalk. There was no saving them. That's what I get for trying to hold my soda in one hand, my phone in the other, and then balancing a giant cup of French fries. Everybody, can you say hi? Right now what we're going to do is my makeup for the day, and Miss Paisley, can you say hi? She's going to help me. How do I look?
I like them.
Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Yeah. Go poop, 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 on your face. Oh, my face. Thank you. Paisley, how old are you? Count to 10. 1. 4. You do Chelsea's makeup.